Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic chart in Excel. Here I have a table which has 3 columns: date, name and sales. Here in this column we have different employees who made different sales on different date. Okay, there are about 40 records here. To summarize this table, to find top employees in a chart, so we use this dynamic chart here. This is a dynamic, now we have 4 top employees here. I want to make it decrease to find 3. Okay, now by clicking the arrow down, it's getting decrease. Now it have become 3 top employees. Okay, so now I'm going to explain how to create a dynamic chart step by step. Let's get started. So first select the whole table by pressing Ctrl A, again Ctrl A to select a column as well. Then copy it by pressing Ctrl C, then paste it here. Ctrl V. I want to make it a bit wider, right? And here I don't need filter option. To remove the filter option, just click table design, then uncheck filter button, right? And here I don't want the grid line as well, right? To remove grid lines, click view menu and then uncheck grid lines. Now it looks perfect. So then select 3 cells, then merge it and type top employees. Add a background. This one looks perfect. Then make it white, bold, and slightly increase its size. And select these cells, add a background color. Okay. Then here add a span button. To add a span button, click developer tab, then click insert and then select the span button and right here. Adjust the button. Now it looks perfect. Here we have about 40 records, then it doesn't mean we have 40 employees here. So how many employees we have here in this table? To find unique employees, so we use this formula, right? Click formula bar, then count A, then click unique, and then select this. Now here we have 6 unique employees, right? So then right click this button to add minimum and maximum values, then click format control, write in minimum values 2 and maximum type 6. It means we have at least 2 employees and at maximum 6 employees here. And connect this cell with this button as well, right? Then click OK. So make it bold, align it to the center. Now it looks perfect. I forgot to rename the table. To rename it, give it a name cell, right? Now then remove this formula, we don't need anymore, right? So here in this table there are 6 employees, okay? Then they made different sales on different dates. To find the summary, how much each employee made a sale here, then we use this formula. Type equal, then click formula bar, type group by function, right? Then row field, select the cell table, and cell table we have name, comma, then values, cells, then cell here, then comma, write the sum function, then double comma, 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 right, then 0, no totals, then write -2. We want to sort the data in descending order. -2 is for sorting the data in descending order, right? Then close the parentheses, click OK. Now it's the summary of this table. It means Noor made 1195 cells, Kareem made 1190, so forth and so on, right? So from here, from this data range, we are going to find, the top employees. Okay, to find top employees from these employees who made top cells or a lot of cells, then we use the take function. Select this cell, then type take function here, and then type comma here, then select this cell. So why we select this cell? We will take a value from this cell, then it will find the top employees using this value. Okay, then close the parentheses. Now here we have 2, then this formula find the 2 top employees from this data, right? If I click the arrow up, now it will find 3 top employees. So using this data, I'm going to make the chart, the dynamic chart. To insert a chart, here click insert menu, then click the 2D chart here, place it here, then click the plus sign here and check the data table, and grid lines here, select primary, major, vertical, and select these bars, right click, format data series, then click fill. Here check this one as well, vary colors by point, then the bars will be vary using different colors. Select the labels, make it bold, slightly increase its size, select the x-axis and make it bold, as well as this axis. Now it looks perfect. So I want to dynamic the title as well. To make it dynamic, just type this formula, top, okay, then select this cell, employees by cell, I want to give it a space here. Now it looks good. Okay, to make this dynamic, select the title, then formula bar, type equal, then select this cell, click OK. Now you can see it has become dynamic. We'll make it bold, slightly decrease its size. Okay, now if we change values, the bar is getting changed as well. And these data looks weird here. I want to make it invisible. To make it invisible, select this range, then make it white. Now you can see it's not visible. Repeat the same process for this one. Make it white. Guys, this was all about for today's video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe our channel, share it with your friends, like and comment. Thanks for watching.